Introduction to Flash.
Hi Mickey, what are you doing?
Hi Darren, I'm reading about Adobe Flash, but I'm unable to understand its features. Can you explain the software to me?
Why not? Let us see how we can create a new document. First, click on File. Then, click on New. The New Document dialog box opens. When the dialog box opens the Action Script 3.0, then click on OK. A window will appear on the screen. This is the Adobe Flash window.
This window has various parts and tools. Can you tell me something about them?
Sure, Mickey. This is a stage. It is a white canvas on which we arrange objects such as graphics, videos, and buttons. This is the Tools panel. It is used to select objects on the stage, to create text and draw graphics. This is the Property Inspector panel. It displays the properties of a selected object like this.
Is this the timeline?
Yes, Mickey. This is the timeline. You are absolutely right. It controls the amount of time for which an object appears in an animation on the stage. We also have additional panels at the bottom left of the screen. They provide us with more formatting and animation tools.
Thank you for explaining all this to me, Darren. I found this information very useful.
You are welcome. I need to go home now. Bye.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.